Hello, good morning. Today I'm done packing all of my items, tapioca, sago, green peas, and white beans, and it's time to clean. Oh, it's very dirty here. Look at this. It's very dirty, so we will clean here. Okay, we will clean so that this area is clean. Okay, just watch me and how to clean, guys. Okay, yes, it's time to clean. It's okay. We need to pintal here, but as of now wala pa, guys, wala pa. Di ba ko kalahutay in English ay? Yes, I need to brush this. Okay. Okay, after nga malimpyo ani, after this, all of the balde here para next gamit, prepare na dayon. Okay? We will brush this para limpyo. Kuning brasan. Ha? Brasan na siya. Kani dayon, napa may sobrang green peas, hipuso ni siya para sudanon or kay sayang man kung sobra sa kong lipa ka ganina. So, we need to keep this. Okay? Brasan dayon. Clean gihapon, clean. You need clean this. Brasan ni siya. Pananaw ka ni siya. Brasan yun ni siya. Para limpyo. It's okay nga. Ako pa ning pintalan ka ni Drew. Pintalan pa ko ni. Para kani pang pintalan pa ko ni. Hayaan nyo na yan, guys. Okay. Mag-brush na rin ka sa loob. Brush. Brushan dayon na diya. Kana para limpyo gyud siya. Okay? Limpyo. Ito dito. That's all for today. Oh, kalkag pakig booking yung kapilingon. Okay.